To change screen lock on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here, you would like to scroll down and go for the security and privacy, and then scroll down again until you find these device unlock settings. Let's go in there, and from here go for this screen lock, and here you have to insert your pattern or pin or password to confirm yourself. So I have to make this pin pattern right here, and now you're able to change your screen lock. You can change it if you want more secure ways to lock your phone. You can choose pattern, pin or password, or if you don't really care about this security right here, you can use no screen lock at all or the swipe screen lock. So simply select any of preferred options right here. I will select the pin one, and here let me insert some pin right here, at least 4 digits. Press OK and confirm, and that's how you can change your screen lock. That's very simple.